My name is Paul Baker. I'm the estate manager here at Tewkesbury School. Tewkesbury School is a large secondary school serving the local Tewkesbury area with 1,400 students and 200 staff. Having identified exactly what we wanted, A&S Landscapes were extremely competitive to the other like-for-like quotes we had for the project. We chose A&S Landscape based on the quality and time they had invested into the project before we placed this order. Communication with A&S Landscape could not have been better. We were kept abreast of every step of the project and had regular updates on this project. A&S Landscape staff, who were carrying out the works, were very amenable to our request for access across the site. They showed extensive knowledge regarding the installation. When choosing the canopy, we wanted to ensure that the canopy was robust to withstand the day-to-day wear and tear the canopy may get. A&S Landscape advised us to use their aluminium guttering system that they included as standard. A&S Landscapes have a simple process where you are kept informed and consulted when decisions are needed. I am pleased to say that we wouldn't hesitate to come back and use A&S Landscape to any further works on the school estates. I highly recommend A&S Landscapes if you are considering a similar project.